I have a lot of fond memories for Diwali. Every year, somehow, there is something different, there is something very special. So, this Diwali, it's going to be video calls. This Diwali is going to be a lot of phone calls. This Diwali is going to be a Diwali where I don't think I will ever forget. Hi, this is Shubhavi Choksi wishing each and every one of you a very happy Diwali 2020. I have a lot of fond memories for Diwali. Every year, somehow, there is something different, there is something very special. If I can think about my bachpan, like my childhood, I still remember that this used to be one occasion apart from my birthday that daddy would take me out. My mom would also be there, and I would buy new clothes and I would buy matching shoes and I would buy like this small bag for myself and things like that and go out shopping for my mother's Kanjivaram saris. So that was something special. There was another thing which was special that during Diwali, all friends, like जो colony के friends होते थे, we used to go to each and every one's house and we used to get like 5 rupees and 10 rupees and at the end of the day the kitty used to be really big and then I used to think beforehand only कि अगर इतना पैसा मिलेगा then which chocolate will I have or which ice cream will I get. And that time we used to have these bonbon ice creams which used to be like chocolate, like a chocobar which is so small with an almond inside. So I used to gobble a lot of them and I used to be on a perpetual bad sugar rush all throughout the valley, which has become less now, but it's still there. Okay, coming to food. I can eat the food, I cannot make the food because I think I've been very, very fortunate that I've always had people who've made yummy food. When I was growing up, it was my nani, who I used to call her Amma. Amma used to be there, my Masi used to be there, my mother, and everybody, all of us used to sit and we used to make like chakris and karanjis and besan ke laddus and all yummy stuff. So, us time to मैं कर लेती थी, but as I'm like doing something like belofying something, like I used to have one besan ka laddu and chukke because I was not supposed to have so much, but I used to still have. So recipe to sorry guys, I will not be able to help you, but very bad. I have two mothers, my mother-in-law and my mother, who feed me still, will make all the sweets and I will still eat them, but I'm extremely sorry, I cannot. I'm not so good at cooking, except for the quarantine that I did a little here and there, but anyways. Then coming to what else? COVID. Oh yeah, COVID Diwali. It'll be very different, na? Not hugging people, not, like how you're laughing and hasti mazak mein, you're hitting somebody, like, and then you fall back and things like that. I think that touches what I'm going to miss this Diwali with everyone. I'm going to miss having a Diwali party in my house. I'm going to miss going to people's homes for Diwali where I might go actually, but it'll be 8 people, not more. So I just know one thing, that however difficult this year has been and is, and will be also for a couple of months, I hope. One thing I know, that there is a Diwali which is coming again. So whatever I want to do this year, I will do it next year. There's no point thinking about that, this Diwali I can't do this, I can't go to that person's house, and every time just getting more upset and whining. I don't want to do that. I decided it very early when quarantine started. So this Diwali, it's going to be video calls. This Diwali is going to be a lot of phone calls. This Diwali is going to be a Diwali where I don't think I will ever forget, but not for the good reasons or not for the bad reasons, for both. Because this year has been a year where I have realized a lot of things about a lot of people. Certain people became closer to me. Certain people I was like, okay, you know, and a lot has happened this Diwali, even before, and will happen even in Christmas. But yeah, it's a different Diwali. But I know 2020 is coming to an end in 2 months. And I know that anything which starts also ends. So I'm just hoping and wishing that by next Diwali, this is not going to be just a video interview. This is going to be with somebody, talking to somebody, and in my own space with my own people, with a lot of people. So happy Diwali to all of you. Everybody watching this, please don't get upset. It's very easy to get upset. It's very easy to think about things that are not there. Just hang in there. It's not easy for anyone. Everybody's degrees, everybody's reasons are different. Some are physical, some are monetary, some are mental, some are health related. Everybody is going through something. But 2020 will come to an end. And I just hope that this year has taught you a lot about yourself, apart from everybody around you. I hope that this year has taught you to value the things that you never thought would be of so much value, So have a safe Diwali. Please light a diya and burn all your negativity in that diya, and please ask for light and positivity. That's all I would want to say. So have a great one, and lots of love.